We're on a road trip.
Let's go to the waterfalls.
Hey. Baby, what do we get?
We got 2 coxinhas and 1 coke from this traditional place that is Portugal guy.
It's a guy from Portugal.
From Portugal is the owner, so it's traditional. Everybody who comes to the waterfalls stop by here and got the coxinha.
You said this is a chicken ball?
Yeah,
Is it fried or is it baked?
fried.
Do you like it? Is it good?
Really good.
Let's try this thing. Is it good? Yo. Yo, can I get a tour? Can I get a tour? Excuse me, ma'am. Can I get a tour? Oh, show me around.
Jesus, baby.
Yo.
I wasn't even expecting that.
Oh, you weren't expecting that. Okay.
Okay. Here we have.
Well, first off, where are we?
We are at Chapada dos Veadeiros.
Hmm.
There he is a lot of waterfalls. We can hike. We can do a lot of things. Come outside. What's the name of this?
Oh, we got a hammock. We got a hammock on our porch.
This is a window.
Check out the window. It just slides open like that. Sheesh.
Oh,
Look at the
above.
view.
We are
Got
gonna
the
close it
mountains.
because we don't want any mosquitoes.
No mosquitoes.
So you can come here, and we have a balcony.
Hang on the balcony. So all of these are like little lofts, like individual, like almost like little like houses that people rent out like hotels.
Our house parked right
Yeah.
here.
And then we got our little rental car parked right underneath. This little awning here. It's pretty dope though. It's almost like a little cabin, yo. Cabin in the jungle. Yo,
Yeah,
check this out.
Here we have like a living room together with our bed, our table, our kitchen. We can cook,
Yo,
and
it's fully furnished, right? We got cups, we got
we got everything.
platos,
Drink your
couples.
wine.
Yup. We already stocked the fridge. What's the fridge look like?
Oh, we got
Oh, the
beer,
brewskis.
water, wine.
And the wine?
We are going to cook some shrimp tonight.
Yeah, some shrimp tonight. And
We got
then
a stove.
a little oven. This is a stove top right here. This is an oven.
We
Throw some
got
stuffy in there.
more plates, more things, and that's it.
Yeah. Look how everything's just open. Yo, you talking about mosquitoes, girl? Shit, you got this door wide open. Dang. Oh, yo, this slides too. Look. Everything opens all the way up. That's dope. Yeah, we already got the mountains. Mountains are in there. All right, let's close this. We don't fuck with the mosquitoes. Yeah, the sink is like completely separate from the bathroom. It's a cool little setup. And then got our towels. Nice little area for our suitcases. We can hang things up if we want to. And then just a standard bathroom, just shower and the toilet skis, you know. But it's dope though. Check out the ceiling. We got these high beams. Yo, I kind of want to climb up there and see if I can do some pull-ups. I wonder if I can get up there, yo. This is dope though. Dope vibes. You can hang out, watch some TV, chill. It's nice. Oh, look at this. Yo, get your butt in there. Come here. Go for this. Let's go for this drive, girl. Got a car coming though. Hold on. Go put this thing in 4x4 mode and go get up on out of her. Oh!
Be careful with this camera.
What?
It amazed me. Every time when I am worrying about your camera, you say this was made for.
Yeah, it got the grippy boys. Look. If we put these grippy boys on anywhere, they just gonna stick. Look, that boy just sit up there like that. It's gonna sit.
It's asking for help. Look that house.
Yeah, nice little road trip right now. So we're going to some waterfalls. You know what happens at waterfalls?
Waterfalls.
That's what I was gonna say. Jesus! So this is what mountain? This is Whale Mountain, right?
Baby, hopefully you understood what I mean.
Yeah, you
You
seen
were
whale.
saying the right thing in English.
You seen whale, right? Like the big mammal fish. No, not a fish.
Like I'm saying, it's
the big,
the biggest and
yeah, a whale.
Oh,
So where you said the head's down there? I'm not really seeing a whale right now. Jesus.
We need that thing to establish the camera. So don't be shaking, you know.
You know what? See, that's what Todd and Rania keep saying, but that's like $200, girl. You guys want to see some nature? Alright, so this isn't a waterfall. We're going where? What's the name?
Vale da Lua em português. Valley of Moon.
Valley of Moon. Let's check it out. We have how many meters?
600.
600 meter walk. So about to get a little hike in. Try not to die in this jungle. And let's get it. Did you hear that? What was that?
Be careful.
Yo, Brazil has jaguars, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No,
bro.
I don't think so.
I know Brazil has some type of like wild, like, yeah, big cat. I ain't trying to be out here boxing no cat. Jammed in there from flash floods that just carry those large boulders. Alright, you got a little bit of salt too. Ooh. Sour.
You dropped the salt.
Damn, you dropped the salt, girl. Shit. Alright, you ready?
Okay, what come first?
Salt, you shoot, lick, lime.
Okay.
Shoot, lick, lime. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Stingy.
Like American.
That's how you take a motherfucking shot, boy.
Jesus.